If you've been wondering how to fix this error, well, this is the right video for you. Hello guys, welcome to Digital Degs. Please, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. Well, I got that error after switching my hard disk drive with SSD, so I attempted installing an OS on this Fujitsu F500S series hard disk drive, and it gave me that error. So all that you have to do at first is that you back up all your important files and attach it back to your computer's board, and then restart the whole OS installation process. Well, okay, I've done that. I've backed up all the files on the SSD, and as you can see, we have a lot of partitions on this SSD. So let me specifically show you guys why I got this error. So by clicking on show details, I was told Windows cannot be installed on disk 6 because it's in GPT partition style. So you select each and every one of these partition and delete them. Just select and hit delete. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I upload awesome tutorials, and also don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. So when you are done deleting everything, you get this new button and you click on this new and click on apply. What this does is that it creates a new drive in the NBR format, since our disk before was in GPT, and it's what our BIOS is configured to use. But then if you are wondering how to install Windows on GPT partition style disk, I'm going to attach this video. Just click on this next video to watch how you can install Windows or configure your BIOS to get Windows installed on the GPT disk. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, and share with your friends, hit the like button. All of you guys so much. Do have a nice day.